Hello and welcome back to another episode of Hike with Mangyan. Let's go stretch our legs on about 12-kilometer loop at Catoctin Mountain Park, hitting Cat Rock, Chimney Rock, Wolf Rock, and Thurmont Vista. There is no actual cats or wolves, just great views. Back in the 1930s, the Civilian Conservation Corps did the heavy lifting at Catoctin Mountain Park, building trails, cabins, and camp facilities. Their off-road ride? Wood hauler sleds, dragging logs, tools, and supplies across terrain that laughed at wheels. Just down the hill from the loop sits Camp Greentop, a 1930s CCC project from FDR's New Deal. It is basically a New Deal time capsule you can camp in. The park rubs shoulders with Camp David, the presidential getaway since 1942. The Secret Service has even trained on these rugged trails. So if a squirrel looks like it's on a stakeout, just wave and keep hiking. Local lore says Cat Rock got its name from a bobcat spotted in the 1800s. Today, there is no confirmed bobcat population, just a great name and an even better story.
where that Catoctin.
Wait, which rock was that?
I was like, oh, hold on. Here we go.
That was nice and comfortable.
During World War II, Catoctin Mountain Park did rehab duty, helping wounded soldiers heal up in the calm of the forest. Turns out, pine trees and birdsong make surprisingly good therapists. Catoctin Mountain Park was one of Uncle Sam's early recreation demonstration experiments. Governments speak for, get people outside and don't wreck the place. It is basically a pilot program for fresh air and conservation.
I'm okay. For now, yeah.
Some hikers say they hear whispers or footsteps near Chimney Rock. Could be the wind, or just those Civil War legends out stretching their legs. Wolf Rock and Chimney Rock are tough as nails quartzite, forged over 500 million years ago when the Appalachians were getting built. So old they could have babysat the dinosaurs. Glaciers skipped this part of Maryland, but the Ice Age still did the landscaping. Freeze-thaw cycles work like nature's jackhammer, shaping the jagged boulder fields at Wolf Rock. Long before trail apps, the Susquehannock and Piscataway traveled this area, using high ridges like Thurmont Vista as nature's GPS and as seasonal hunting grounds. And that's the wrap. Thanks for tagging along. If you had fun, hit like, subscribe for more trail shenanigans, and drop your questions in the comments. Stay cool. See you down the trail. Bye!